B-Dub, the anime master. B-Dub, the anime master. B-Dub, the anime master. B-Dub, the anime master. Dragonball Z, the anime master. Here we go, the anime master. Dragonball Z, the anime master. Here we go, the anime master.
So here we are, Dragonball FighterZ PS4 unboxing. Very excited about this Dragon Ball Z fighting game. I pre-ordered it off Amazon.com. Here's the package. We're going to open it up and see the game. So removing the packaging, we have the Dragon Ball Z FighterZ Day 1 Edition. Well, not Dragon Ball Z FighterZ, Dragon Ball FighterZ Day 1 Edition PS4 copy. Here's the front of the game right here. Pretty awesome artwork with Goku on the front here. And here's the side. And here is the back. And here is the back of the game case. Pretty standard, pretty cool. So we took out the Blu-ray and we have Dragon Ball FighterZ PS4 Day 1 Edition. We also have a coupon code here. I'm not going to let you guys see it for Super Saiyan Blue Goku and Vegeta. And that's pretty much it as far as the game and the case. I'm going to be playing this game tonight. I'm going to try to see if I can do a live stream. If you can make it, you know, check it out. I might do a live stream later on tonight on my YouTube channel. If you want to add me on PSN, check it out right here. Link is in the description and it will also be in the video as well. This is my PSN ID. But give me at least about a day or two to like get used to controls as far as fighting me and etc. You know what? I never mind about that. Let's just have some fun. You know, I might even record it as far as like doing a live stream or whatever. But anyway, Dragon Ball FighterZ, new Dragon Ball fighting game. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let me know in the comment section below. Dragon Ball FighterZ, man. It's here. It's here. Anyway, check out my Facebook fan page. Leave a like for the fan page and leave a like for the video as well. Also, follow me on Twitter. Links are in the description. Stay tuned for more anime, manga, and video game related videos. Stay tuned for a review of Dragon Ball FighterZ. And also stay tuned for more anime and videos and etc. You know, sorry for the lack of content. I've been very busy, but new videos are coming soon. Stay tuned. I'm BDUBTheAnimeMaster. Peace.
Dragon Ball Z, the anime master. Here we go, the anime master. Dragon Ball Z, the anime master. Here we go, the anime